Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor. And in today's video we are going to cover the Nansen Airdrop. This is an airdrop that you are going to apply just with one click. You only need to do one action in order to participate on this airdrop. So it doesn't matter if you are an expert on airdrops or not, you are going to be quickly participate on this possible airdrop on Nansen project. If you missed Arkham, this is a very similar project and we could expect a nice airdrop from this project. Like always in my videos, I'm going to tell you what Nansen AI is and we are going to see exactly what you need to do in order to participate on this airdrop. Like I say, you only need to do one step in order to participate, and I am going to tell you another stuff in case that you want to do it. Before we begin, like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hi crypto fans, well, Nansen AI is a tool that helps you to analyze and research crypto projects. It's a blockchain data analytics company that augments the data on the web with data from millions of wallets. Crypto investors use this service to find investment opportunities, verify and protect their portfolios. A very important fact about this project is that they raised 88.2 million from many venture capitalists like Zksync, Coinbase Ventures, Axel, Tiger Global Management, and many others. And the company is valued in $750 million, guys. So this is a very big company right now. The project still doesn't have a token and it's not certain that one will appear. But if an airdrop happens, it could be one of the big airdrops. And this project is no new, guys, but they are launching Nansen 2, which is a new version. And because this platform is similar to Arkham, I don't know if you know this project, Arkham, they did an airdrop and it was very similar. If you enter into the whitelist, you already received points. And eventually that ended up being an airdrop of a minimum of $150. And depending on other stuff, you could be getting more than that. But it was really easy to get. Arkham is at position 358 right now at 42 cents. And you can see in the market was launched in August 7, so it's just appearing in the market after the airdrop. So this is a very nice opportunity that something similar happened. So maybe this company, Nansen, they are saying, well, look what happened with Arkham, all the user base that they get for doing that airdrop. Now that they are launching this version 2, maybe they are going to do the airdrop if you join the whitelist. And this project has 226,000 followers, so it's not a small project. And you can see here the pinned comment from August 7. When you win, we win. That's why we built Nansen 2, showing the early access to the whitelist. So now let's go to the step-by-step on how to participate directly. So my step 1, 2 and 3 are basically follow them on the social media. I'm not saying that it's going to get you more rewards of a possible airdrop, but maybe could. So you don't lose anything, just follow them on Twitter, in Telegram and Discord. Telegram and Discord, you are going to see that maybe it's going to help you. Now the step 4, guys, is they are launching Nansen 2, so go and register your email to the whitelist. Here you have the link to Nansen AI. This is an early access. So once you click that link, you are going to be redirected here. And here you just need to put your email, click the CAPTCHA and click on join whitelist. Then you are going to receive a confirmation email into your account. That could take 1 minute or maybe more. It's depending on the amount of people that is joining. And right now there are many people for the possible airdrop. And after you receive that, you are going to also get a new generated referral link that you can use to share with others. But the important thing here is that you, with your email, get into this whitelist. Down here you have all the other social media if you want to participate too. They have also a YouTube channel. So if you get into this part of the video, basically that is all, guys. You only need to join the whitelist. The next steps are going to be optional. It's only what I did because I think if I do the maximum amount of things possible, if they do an airdrop, maybe could be some multipliers of the airdrop, so I don't get only the minimum amount of the airdrop. But that is super speculative from my side. But if you want, you can continue with the next steps. So my step 5 is going to be go to the website and register. You are going to be able to enter your Telegram and Discord and confirm your email. So because we are going to sign up to the platform, I recommend you to use the same email that you use for the whitelist. Obviously, that makes much more sense. So you can go to the website from there, and then you go to sign in. And down here you can sign in with your wallet. I plan to do that just in case that I receive a token. I prefer, instead of using my email also, I'm going to use my wallet. So I will click with my MetaMask. You need to sign this request. And now you can go and explore the platform. They are going to ask you a couple of easy things like what will you use Nansen for? I will say personal, DeFi opportunities. I will put I am an advanced one. I will put social media here, and here you can put your Telegram and Discord. If you are joining them on Telegram and Discord, I would recommend you to do it. And then you click on submit, and you can put your email here. So put the same email that you use it for the whitelist. Remember that. Now you need to confirm your email and then click continue. Now you need to set a password, submit that, and now you are already here on the platform. So now you can sign in, and you can see I'm signing in already here. Of course, these projects get earnings from upgrade your plan. So this is your basic plan, but you can go here and pay a plan if you want. And of course, I don't have any refer with the project. They are not paying me to do the video. So that is depending of you. Now you can go to your profile and connect your wallet in step 6 if you didn't do that. Like I mentioned before, you can also add your Telegram and Discord when you create your account. That would be step 7. Now step 8, you can go to portfolio section and create a portfolio. So you have here the portfolio section on Nansen AI. If you get this Nansen 2 is coming, get early access. You already did that on the step 4 of this tutorial, so you can close this. And here you have some information on your chain. Step 9 is go to watchlist section and add wallets to your watchlist. So here from the website you go to Watchlist, and here you can add your wallet if you want. You can put until 20 wallets if you want. So doing all these extra steps, you are already participating and signing up on the platform. Of course, you are not doing KYC, but you are linking your wallet into social media links and your email. So you are giving away some part of your identity. But maybe for the purpose of the airdrop, you don't have any problem with that, and maybe you can get rewards from this airdrop. Guys, if you are liking this video so far, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and join me to my YouTube channel. I cover airdrops all the time, so you are not going to miss any of my airdrop videos step by step on how to apply if you subscribe to the video. Like I said before, this could be similar to the case of Arkham, that this is an airdrop that already happened and they are a similar platform. So maybe on the version 2 that they are having here on the pinned comment, you will get from being whitelist and maybe for be signing up already on the account, get more possible rewards if this airdrop happens. And remember to go to cryptocurrencystate.net/subscriptions. If you are new to my channel, you need to know that I have a private Discord. We are around 300 people right now, where we cover high level of information about airdrops. Airdrops that I cannot cover on my videos are there. New airdrops are related to meme coin, also airdrops on the BRC20 ecosystem. If you're not doing airdrops on BRC20, you are missing a lot of money. There's a lot of potential on the Bitcoin ecosystem right now. And also I have an application here. This is going to help you to register and apply to your airdrops. This is something that I created, and here you have 2 videos on how my app works. It's going to solve you a lot of issues when you try to apply and actually keep track on your airdrops. Discord and my app are the best things to do airdrops that you are going to find in the market right now. Guys, that will be all for this video. If you missed Arkham, don't miss Nansen Airdrop. This could be super easy to do with just 1 click and some extra steps if you want. And it's not going to cost you anything. This is a free airdrop to participate. That will be all. Remember to follow me at CryptoCState in Twitter. CryptoCState is appearing right now. If you join there, you're going to see my live actions. Sometimes I apply to airdrops at one moment and I post in that account steps that I am doing. So you will have my information before anyone else. And before we leave, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.